Every morning, write and say, "Thank you, God, for the joy we share." Feel the joy. Don't imagine the new car you want, but imagine the joy of the wind coming in the window as you speed along. Don't imagine your beloved, but imagine the butterflies in your stomach when you kiss. Don't imagine the new job, but imagine the pride and joy of turning in a perfect proposal and report. Feel the joy within. Blessings are on their way. Imagine the joy you feel with anything you want. Express joy for what we are going to receive, the way we thank another for a gift before it is even in our hands. Don't beg. Don't ask for things in prayer, because our Creator knows already what we need and want more than we do. Don't beg. Don't ask for things. We get what we need. Do not complain, because our Creator knows of our problems. And just saying thank you covers everything, which are too many things to number or speak of. Just express joy. Natural urge. How to control effectively that natural urge for anything. The primary urge in nature is pleasure, all because we want to feel good. Experiencing pleasure is the foremost universal urge throughout creation. If anything is alive, it enjoys pleasure. Pleasure creates feel-good hormones in our brain and can replace urges and habits and thinking and actions or distract us from them. Managing the urge. As you think and as you say is how unfolds the coming day. Don't say you can't control urges. You can and do limit urges. Holding your breath is an example.